All right, guys, and I'm sorry to say it, but some of this video got messed up today. You know, GoPro only works so far. What's up, little bubbly? Tank. I was on a roof, and in the South, in the summer, roofs don't mix well with cameras. So I lost some of the footage, but the message is still the same. Let's check it out. Welcome back, Steve. Metal Dryer Vent, metalDryerVent.com. So we're at another, again, I like to call them patio homes. That's what we call them in the South. One story, built on a slab, dryer center of the home, goes up out of the roof. Well, I'm not gonna go that far into it, but we're here to clean it out. Behind the dryer, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, behind the dryer, it's a big dryer in a small closet. And there's a reason why we're not gonna fix that right now, but I can't really say it on camera. I'm not trying to sound sketch, man, but there's a reason why I'm not gonna fix the flex hose that's smashed behind the dryer. Let's get into it. All right, so we're inside now. Let's see, and look, guys, you can't even see where it's plugging in, and look at look at how much space we're working with here. Like, if you look at it, let's pull it out. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, buddy. Look at how crimped that was. Let me slide it back so you can see. So we couldn't even breathe. All right, let's clean it out. All right, let's go up here and check out what's going on. Wow, pretty easy to see on this one which one's the dryer vent. Yeah, let's see. Oh man, there's quite a bit in there. I want to do this too. I want to check, because again, these are patio homes, so you know, you have 4 units together. Let's look at this one. Let's see what they look like. Oh Lord. Haha. Future appointment. All right, let's go back over here. All right, so I already have the dryer running. I'm gonna get everything set up and we're gonna clean this dryer vent. We're gonna see how fast until GoPro shuts down. Hopefully it doesn't though. See, and all that's just from inside of the damper, guys. I may have to stop this to get a better angle. Oh yeah. right, so I don't know if you can hear it, but the change in sound tells me I'm all the way down at the bottom. Holy moly. Definitely more than I thought. Man. Holy moly. Jeez Louise, dude. There's a lot more in here than I was expecting, guys. I was about to not film it. Holy mackerel. It's everywhere. Sorry guys, I'm trying. Now what I did there was I just turned the drill in reverse. If you have a segmented brush, you better not turn that drill in reverse. Otherwise, it's gonna come apart in one of those sections, or you're gonna get the brush head stuck. Don't do that. Whew. Man. All right, so my camera doesn't blow up, guys. Oh, look at the pool. So my camera doesn't blow up. I got to get it out of the sun for a few minutes, but only thing else I have to do is make sure that I clean up inside of here, right? Because it's in much better shape. We'll be back. Isn't that, guys? That's how it should look. Oh, wow. Yeah, y'all can hear that. Y'all can hear that. Whew. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. We'll see you on the next one, as long as this camera has memory anymore. I don't know. I'm sorry it cut off on half of the stuff. We'll catch you.